Hi, good day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to design a church flyer using the PixelLab. So if you are actually new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel so that we can go along. So we are going to design a church flyer using the PixelLab. So first of all, let me delete this and then let me go to my size and then I'll use 1024 and then by the normal height. So I will go to my gallery and then import the background. So I will be using this background. Let me use this background. And just press the size and then the height also. I'll centralize it. Alright, now I will create a shape. So in this shape, I'm going to make it a gradient color. I will go to here, gradient color, and then pick a picker. So I'm going to choose this ones that you see. I'm going to choose this. So I will tap on this one, this here. I will tap on it and then pick on the color. And then on the color, I will create it to be black. So I will go to the next one and then tap it, and then I will slide this to here. I want it to be transparent. So I will slide it. You see the effect here. So I'm going to use this. So you see the inner is actually transparent now. So I'm going to use this. Let me expand it. Let me expand it. Let me expand it a little bit using my hand. Okay. Yes, this is perfect. Although I can decide to actually modify it. Let me just modify it a little bit here. Yeah. So this is good. This is good. So I will increase it again. Increase the height. And let me just centralize it. So now here we go. So I import all the ministers here. Let's see this guy here. Supposed to be at this place. Just have it here. Okay, this guy here. Let's import this, and I'll turn him like this. Okay. So for this guy here, sorry, let me just rotate him again. Where's my rotate? Sorry, where's my rotate? Yeah, one. So let me just reduce the size. I'll fix him toward this axis. So I'll just import the other ones because I don't want the video to be that long. So let me just import all of them and then we amend it. So I imported all of them. Now let me go to aligning and then align them. So this one's supposed to be at the back of each and every one here. Let me just tap on the layer here and drag it down. Yeah, and then this one's supposed to be here. So for this, it's supposed to be, yeah, it's good. So for this guy with digital, so I'll just fix him toward here. Yeah, and then for the priest here, let me just fix him toward here also. So let me just go to here and then fix him at the back of here. So let me just kind of decrease the size. Sorry, amend it a little bit. This one's supposed to be at the front. Yeah. So for this one, I will just kind of fix him here. Let me just increase the size of him. So for this guy here at the top, let me just fix him toward here. So for this guy, I guess we can go with this. Just fix him toward here. Yeah, for this, I will just increase the size. It's looking bigger than it's supposed to. Yeah. I think we can go with this. So I've already created a kind of text effect using Photopia. So I will actually drop a link on how to do this text effect using Photopia. So here is it. Not this one, not this one. I'm going to get this Easter. Yeah, Easter. So I fixed it toward here. I'll drop a link for this so that you can go and easily do it using your smartphone. So here's it. So I'll go to I'll go to gallery again and then I'll fix this also. So this is supposed to be here. So I will go to color filter and then change the color to be this. So this is it. Let me lock all of them. Let me lock all of them because I don't want to touch any. Yeah. So now what will happen is I will go to text and then write the text. Sorry. Yeah, featuring. It's supposed to be here. And increase the size. And then go to the colors which are supposed to be that yellow. Yeah, featuring. So for the text, the fonts, I will go to here and then choose this one. I want it to be that kind of sexy. Yeah, let me just leave it like this. So I will write the writings here. Use this text and I write the writings, which is wet, praise, and worship. Let me write the praise and yeah, and worship. Worship. Yeah, let me make them uppercase letter, and then I will reduce the size of them. Although I will be using a kind of font which is meter regular again. Yeah, meter regular. Then I will go to spacing, line spacing, and decrease the line spacing. So I need them to be like this. Yep, this is good. So what will happen now is I will go to text again and then write something. I've already copied it, so I will just paste it there. So I'm going to write this here. So let me go to font and then choose neutral regular as usual. So I'll go to alignment and then align it like this. So for the spacing, let me just decrease the spacing. This one's supposed to be here. So let me decrease the size. Need it to be. I must increase the spacing here. Line spacing. Let me just leave it like this. Let me decrease the size again. Need it to be like this. Let me just leave it like this. Okay, for now let me go to ministering. Also ministering. Let me make an uppercase letter, and then what I will do is I will go to font and then choose neutral regular for this. Then what will happen is I will change the color to be this yellow and then decrease the size. Yep, this is good. So I will copy this and write the theme. So here's it. I will just go to here and then fix them toward here. So I will reduce the size here. Reduce the size. So let me go to spacing and then space them off. So what I will do is I will create a kind of message here. Yeah, this is perfect. So I will just align it here like this. So now what remains is I will go to text again and then I will write 4 p.m. Then I will fix it toward here. Go to my text. Where is it? My background. Then I'm going to use this background. Where is this? Let me increase the padding. 9. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. Alright, let me just increase this. Okay. Yep, here we go with this. So what I will do now is I will go to gallery and then import something. Yeah, I need this. Let me just decrease the size of it. Decrease the size. And I'll go to color. Let me go to color to be this red. Yeah, here we go. So I will copy this and I write Holy Week. Let me go to fonts and then change the font. I need the font to be the, yes, let me use this. Yeah, well. So what I will do now is I will go to text and then copy this. Let me go to here, the date, which is Saturday, and tint. Then I'll write April 2025. So I'll just fix it to here and increase the size. Yeah, let me just pass it off a little bit. Yeah, here is it. So I'll go to text again and I write the venue. So here is the venue. I'll just kind of change the font. Let the font be neutral regular. Just decrease the size a little bit and then fix it here. Yeah. Let's fix it here. So let me just create a kind of shape. Let me change the color to be white and then I'll fix it toward here. Yeah, this is perfect. So I'll just kind of decrease this. Let me just decrease it because the 10 is too bold. Yeah. Let me copy this. just drag it towards here. We'll drag it towards here. Then we reduce the size. So here we go with this. So let me go to, where is this? This is that. Let me just kind of adjust it. Yeah, here we go. So I'll import the logo. I'll import the logo, and then let me just import the logo. So I have written the name of the team, and then I imported the logo. So let me just decrease the size. Then I'll go to font here, then choose neutral regular. So let me just decrease the size. Yeah, this is perfect. I think let me go to alignment and just align it here. So for this person, I'll just decrease this person a little bit. So I will just fix it toward here. Now let me just copy this and write presents, and then fix it here. Yeah. So now I will go and then put the name of the ministers, because I don't want the video to be actually long. I will just put the name of the ministers directly. So after putting all the names, I will go to shape, and then I'll create a kind of transparent shape, fix it toward this axis, and then I will go to here and then fit a kind of gradient color. So I will drag this to the bag, drag it. Yes, I want it to be here. But I want this minister. Okay, I want it to be here. But I want it to be at the top of this. Okay, let me just run this to the back. Okay, yeah. So here we go. Okay, it's actually at the back. Why is it at the back here? Sorry. So first fix it at the frontal. Okay, here we go. So what will happen is, now we actually did everything that we're supposed to do for this flyer. So I will actually go and save my work here. So it's actually saving. So after saving your work here, I will go to Snapseed and then click on the plus icon and import the design. So I will go to this pop. So you actually see how the quality of the design is enhanced. So I will go to here, balance, follow white balance, and then increase the temperature to a little bit, and then I will go to temp and then increase it a little bit. So I will actually go to structure, and I'll increase the structure, and then I will go to sharpening and then increase the sharpening also. So you see how the effect is actually showing. So I will actually go for this. So I think this is done. So I will go and export my design. So it's actually exporting. Yeah. So let's view our design here. So you actually see how to create a kind of church flyer using PixelLab. Thank you very much for your time. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you are new, so that we can go along. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you very much.